Panasonic.
For a smooth and controlled blowout, go with Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Portofino. Begin with your favorite blow-dry cream and spread evenly in between your palms. Apply from roots to ends and comb through to distribute the product evenly. Depending on the density of the hair, you can reapply as needed. When it comes to shaping the hair from wet to dry, Portofino's concentrator nozzle and negative ion generator are the ultimate static fighters. Here's a pro tip. Think of the brush and blow dryer as being attached to one another. The brush leads the way, while the blow dryer follows closely behind and in the same direction. This allows for the ultimate control and smoothness while shaping the hair. The marriage of Nano Titanium Portofino and flat wrap blow dry technique will have you styling in no time.